Welcome back to GetAssist English, and in today's video I will tell you without sharing any password, or if you have forget any password of your Wi-Fi and you have to share the Wi-Fi password to anyone, to your friends or family, how will you do that without sharing or without recalling the password by scanning just a QR code? So without wasting any time, let's get started. Visit wifi.org on any browser. Now, in the SSID field, enter your Wi-Fi network's name. For the encryption, select WPA/WPA2/WPA3 option. In the key field, enter your password, and lastly, click on the Generate button. This will create a QR code that has your Wi-Fi password, and this will let your people to scan the QR code through which they can connect your Wi-Fi password. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.